Has one of your gears failed? Finding an exact replacement isn't always easy. Standard gears often don't match the required dimensions, and designing a new one in CAD can take hours. What if you could simply enter a few parameters and generate a perfectly fitting 3D printable gear within seconds? In the description below, you'll also find a guide explaining how to calculate the module and pitch diameter, making it easy to recreate almost any gear. This is our parametric double helical gear generator, designed to help makers, engineers, mechanics, and 3D printing enthusiasts create fully customized gears directly in the browser. No CAD software is required. Instead of spending time creating involute gear profiles manually, simply enter your gear parameters, preview the result instantly, and download a ready-to-print STL file or order professional 3D printing. Demonstrate the configurator using the attached screenshots. Let's create a custom double helical gear. We'll start by entering the module. The module determines the size of every gear tooth and must match the mating gear. Next, we define the number of teeth. This directly influences the overall diameter and the gear ratio. Now we enter the gear width. A wider gear increases the contact area and allows higher torque transmission. Next comes the shaft bore diameter. This defines the opening that fits onto the motor shaft or axle. If required, we can also adjust the helix angle, which determines the orientation of the helical teeth. Double helical gears combine two mirrored helices, canceling axial forces while ensuring smooth and quiet operation. Depending on the application, additional parameters such as chamfers, hub dimensions, or clearances can also be configured. As each parameter is changed, the model updates automatically. Within seconds, the complete gear is regenerated. There is no waiting and no complicated CAD workflow. Everything happens directly in your browser. Once the configuration is complete, you can inspect the generated model in the interactive 3D viewer. Rotate the gear. Zoom in to examine the tooth geometry. Check the bore diameter. Verify the overall proportions before manufacturing. The preview shows exactly the geometry that will be generated. When you're satisfied with the design, simply download the STL file and print it on your own 3D printer. Or click Calculate 3D Printing Price to receive an instant quote and have your custom gear professionally manufactured. Whether you need a replacement gear for a machine, a robotics project, a gearbox, or a custom mechanical design, Build Your 3D lets you create parametric double helical gears quickly and accurately. Visit buildyour3d.com to start designing your own custom gears today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for our guide on calculating the gear module and pitch diameter. Thanks for watching.